Hi guys, Adam at Leighton VANS. So, just walking through the workshop. We've got something really cool to show you today. There it is. This is the first one we've done, and it's a transporter short wheelbase. It's T32 204 DSG by TDI, and it's got the full Carlex kit on. How cool does that look? I'll show you around there. Obviously the Carlex kit is a brand new bumper altogether. Still got the grills in gloss black, body coloured badge, centre sections all in gloss black. Looks really cool. Then we walk round, and on the side got the Carlex side skirts down there. No roof bars. Normally on our Sportline kit we put roof bars on, but this one's a little bit different. So if we go around to the back, we've got the Carlex tailgate spoiler there. Nice, really nice looking spoiler. And if I spin it round a little bit, we can see there, we've got the Carlex rear end with the quad exhaust. Now, see, it's like a diffuser on the rear end. Again, looks really cool. Sets the van off really nicely. Just give it a little bit of a spin for you, let you have a look. So this is the first one that we've done of these, and I think the kit looks really cool. So we can see there, it's lowered on the 40mm springs that we normally use on the Sportline pack. It's got the Axe EX30s in gloss black. They're a staggered set, so they're wider on the rear, as you can see there, wider on the back. And they come with Uniroyal Rain Sport 3s. Just show you there. See as it comes round. I think they're 8.5 fronts and 10J rears. Really nice set of wheels. Now moving on to the interior, we've got the Carlex steering wheel. It's flat bottom, red stitch, the Carlex logo at the top. Then we move to the seats. These are cool. So this is like leather and Alcantara with red stitch, like a GTI pattern. Carlex across the seat, and Carlex logo in the headrest. It's completely different from anything we've ever done seat-wise, so they look really cool. And it's the same in the back, which I'll show you in a sec. Now this van is a really high-spec van. You can see you've got sunroof, even got a factory night heater, along with, if I turn the ignition on, I'll show you. We've got the nav, app connect, 7-speed DSG, we've got electric doors there, got obviously Highline specs, so it's got the heated windscreen, aircon, etc. Got all the nav, digital radio, heated seats there as well. Comfort dash, as you can see, so you've got all the storage everywhere. And again, this really cool Carlex steering wheel. It's a brand new vehicle. So again, first one we've done with the Carlex kit. LED lights on there, they look really cool. As I say, we've got electric doors, so if we move on to the inside. So the interior in the back is the same as we'd normally do on our Sportline pack. So you've got the LED lights, the USBs, you can see there, we've got all the leather kit follows on into the back. Carlex design. We've got our suede insulation carpet and suede. Just spin it around again. Electric tailgate. Another cool little feature. Just put the LEDs on in the rear. You can see there. It's our standard carpet suede. Shut the tailgate. So yeah, if you're after any more information, any more pictures or anything like that, just check the van out on our website, www.leightonvans.co.uk. Give us a call or drop us an email at info@leightonvans.co.uk. Thanks for watching, guys.